Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve practice question for the conditional probability. So a technology company has two factories. Okay, factory A makes 80% of the companies. So you got A here, 80%, so 0.8. And 10% of them fail a quality test. So here is fail. Here is don't fail. If this is 10%, so 0.1, so don't fail is 1 minus it by 0.1, so this 0.9. Factory B produce the rest of the component, so this is factory B, so this 0.8, so is 0.2. Fail 15%, so fail is 0.15, do not fail is 0.85, don't fail. Okay, we drew it, the tree diagram, and then find the probability, look at the probability that a component that failed the quality test was made in factory B. Okay, we need to identify. Okay, so here we got it first. The probability component made in factory A, and here component in factory B. And then probability fails in factory A is 0.1, while the probability fail in factory B is 0.15. Okay, so we need to use the Bayes theorem. So probability B and fail. So first, the probability of B and this is fail. We divide it by the probability of fail. There it is. First, let us take a look. I will write it. Where can I write? Okay, here, let me make it smaller. Moment. Okay, here it is. Oh no, I cannot make it smaller. Okay, at least we can make it here. So let's find it, the probability of fail. I will write it here, probability of fail. So here we can get it from the probability A, we multiply it by probability fail A. Then we plus by the probability B multiplied by probability fail in B. So we got it from here is first is 0.8, we multiply by 0.1, and then we plus by 0.2 times 0.15. So probability of fail, we got it from here is 0.08 plus by 0.03. So here is 0.11. Okay, here is for the probability fail is 0.11. Fail in A and B. So here is 0.11, the total outcomes. Next, the probability B and fail, which is here 0.2, we multiply it by 0.15. So here 0.03. Okay, we could simplify it. So here is, where's my pen? The probability is 3/11. So this is the probability that a component that failed the quality test was made in factory B. For the factory A, so we can just 1 minus it by 3/11. So we will got as 8/11. Next, B. Okay, a statistical investigation show that adults in particular country have 80% change. Okay, so here will be the question. Let us take a look. What is the probability that an adult who has just turned 70 will be 80? So this is the probability, the adult that just turned 70 to be 80. So this is 80 and then 70. So the probability living to 80, we divided by the probability living to 70. As this is, they already got to 70. So the probability living to 80, okay, we got 50%. Then we divide by living to 70 is 80%. We could simplify it. So the probability is 5/8. Okay, next, number 8, we need to draw a Venn diagram. So first, let me draw it. Then we'll take a look of the question. Here is the Venn diagram. Okay, the circle. Okay. Okay, we got 55%. Respondent use the local train service. So this is gonna be train. Then 25% of the respondent regularly use a bus local service. This is the bus. What information we can get? Here is the key. 30% of the respondent use neither service regularly. So here is the neither 30%. So from 100 minus it by 30 is 70. So it is gonna be N because we don't know yet the both. So the train is 55%. We minus by N. We plus by the N. And then plus by 25%. Minus N equal to 70%. Okay, we got 55. We minus it by, not minus, plus by 25. It's gonna be 80%. And then here is gonna be minus N equal to 70%. So we got N or both equal to 10%. So here we can write it. Both is 10%. How about the train? So 55%, we minus it by 10. So we got here is 45%. Here is 25 minus by 10 is 15%. Here is the diagram when. Okay, determine the probability that a person use the bus service given that they use the train service. So here for B, so the probability of train and bus given that is train service, P of train. So here is 10%. P train is 55. Isn't it? Yes, 55%. So here is 10/55. We can divide by 5 both of sides. So it's gonna be 2/11, the probability. Next, what is the probability that a person chosen from the random group will use train service given that they also use the bus service? Okay, so C, I will write it here. P, train, and bus. So we'll use the bus. So here divided by probability of the bus. So here 10% divided by 25%. So we can divide by 5. Both of sides simplify. So 2/5 as the probability. Okay, next number 10. So the survey in Budapest show 30% household had no car. So we can write it here. The information no car is 30% or the probability of 0.3. Half the household had one car. So this is one car is a half, which is 50%. So here is 0.5. And then 15% had two cars. So this is two car, 15%. The probability is 0.15. And the last, more than two car, is how many percent? 5 which is 0.05. Okay, what is the probability that a household chosen at random has 2 or more cars? So here, the probability has 2 or more than 2 cars. You can get it for probability of 2 cars plus by the probability of more than 2 cars. So here is 0.15 plus by 0.05. So the answer is 0.2 or 20%. This is for A. B. A random household is observed to have at least 1 car. So to make it at least 1 car, let me make it here. Okay. Okay, at least 1 car. So the probability at least 1. So 1 we minus by the probability of 0 car. So 0 car is 30%. So 1 minus 0.3. So the total outcome is 0.7. So we need to calculate it at least more than 2 cars. We got it from here, which is 0.2. Probability of 2 or more than 2 cars. So the question is, we observe it, all the household have at least 1 car. So here is the probability, at least 2 and at least 1. So the probability is 0.2 for the at least 2 cars, and for the at least 1 is 0.7. We could simplify it, so the probability is 2/7. Okay, last question. When a motorist takes a car in for a service, there is a 0.25 probability that it will need an oil change and 0.4 probability that it need. Okay, here is probability both is 0.14. So take a look. Find the probability as new filter. Okay, new filter. So here is the probability for A. Filter and oil has to change it. So the probability of both of them, filter and oil, we divide by the probability of oil. So we got 0.14, we divide by 0.25. So we get as 0.56. Next for B, a new oil is needed. New filter, so the probability of filter, here's probability filter and oil, we divide by the probability of the filter. So 0.14 we divide by 0.4 or 40. This is equal to 0.35, the probability. Okay, there it is. Thank you.